Well, I think this just needs a frame, and we are there. Look at that. And of course, it doesn't just have to be underwater scenes. Check out my really hot desert scene and the fireworks on bonfire night. Oh, Spade, what are you up to, man? Ooh. A great effect. That's made the show end with a bang. How did you do it?
Oh, elementary, my dear Kirsten. Elementary. Get it? You know, like the elements.
You great clod. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget you can send your pictures to us here at Smart. PO Box 5053, London W12 6AW. Fact sheets for today's show can be found on the website bbc.co.uk/CBBC. For the best in art, stick with Smart.